Till now we have seen that what is a OR operator, what is AND operator, and what is a XOR operator. So there are two more interesting operators are there. One is left shift operator, one is right shift operator. I'll try to cover that in one video so that it will be comparable and it will be easy to understand. So first let me take an example as we have did. So with the example we will try to explain. Let me print. So the symbol less than equals to use for two times to find to write the left shift operator. So what will happen? I'll write A, and with a double left shift symbol I'll write 1 and then I'll print it. So what's the answer is coming here? The answer is coming as 1 here. So now let us understand why the answer is becoming 1 here. So as it is a bit operator, so everything is going to happen in the binary. So if I take the binary of 5, so that is 101, simple 101 is 5. Now because of the left shift operator, so what is happening? So left shift operator shifts the so what it does? So it shifts the digit by whatever number is, in this case by one place, in one place, and add a 0 at the empty place. Okay, so what we have written here, let us see. So left shift operator shifts the digit by one place and add zeros there. So why I have taken 1 here? So 1 is taken, that is because I have taken I have written a left shift 1, that's why 1 is being taken. Okay, so next is how it is happening. So see here the value is 101, fine. So let me write in the new line here. The value is 101. So when I left shift, so that means in this direction. Okay, so see the arrow mark in this direction. If I shift, then what will happen? 10 will come here. Now 101 is shifted towards left side, and 10 is taking that place. How much amount you have to send the value, or how much amount you have to shift the value. Now if you see 1010, so this 1010 is nothing but the result for 10, fine. So 1010 in decimal, so this result equals to 10 here, fine. So now let us take another example here with a larger shift. So let me take for example I will print, so directly I will print the value. So I will print here 5 left shift 2. So if I print this, the answer is coming as 20. So let us see how the answer is coming. So first the binary of 5 is again 101, fine. Now I have to do the left shift here. So if I do the left shift, what will happen? So initially there will be two zeros will be there, so that will take place of the empty places, and then 1 is there, and then 0 is there, and then 1 is there, fine. So now you see this 101 is shifted to left side by two places. Okay, it is shifted means in its place there will be two zeros, and 101 is shifted to shifted to unlabeled. So here if you see is the answer, so that is equals to, this is 0 2 4 8 16. So 16 plus 4, this answer is nothing but, this is in decimal, this value is here 20, fine. Okay, so if let us take another example so that we can further understand. So let me take print, I'll take 10 and left shift, let me take 1 here, fine. So the answer is coming as 20. So how the answer is 20, let us see. So binary of 10, so binary of 10 if I write, so it becomes 1010, fine. So now if I do the left shift operation with that, so if I do the left side operation with that, so what will happen? 1010, and towards the right side 10 will be added. So that is because I am shifting for the value of 1. Now what will be the new answer? So new answer is, now here this one, this value is 16, this value is 4. So the new answer becomes 20 here. 16 plus 4, it becomes 20. Now this is all about a left shift operator. Now let us see what happens in a right shift operator. So it is symbolized as greater than symbol. Okay, now let us take an example and let's try to understand. So if I print let's say 3 left shift by 1 and I print it, the answer is becoming 1. Fine, let us see how the answer is becoming 1. Now binary value of 3 is how much? 1 I have taken in this case. Fine. So sorry, binary value of 3 is 0 1 1, let me take here. Then I have to left shift this value, so I have to right shift this value by 1 position, right? So 1 position means what? So if I shift the whole number towards the right, then you see the LSB side, this 1 is there, so it will get discarded and only 0 1 will be shifted here. So 0 1 will be there, and for that what we need to do? We need to add one more 0 there, because here we are doing a just a shifting here. So if I have to shift by one place, then shift by one place, then just add 0 in the empty place. So that's what happens there, and that's how 0 0 1 becomes there. Sorry, 0 0 1 is the right shift version of the 3, or 1 is the right shift version of 3. Let us take another example here. Let me take 6 here. So I will just print directly. So 6 with right shift, let me take 2 here, and if I see the answer is still becoming 6. So let us see how it is happening. So binary of 6 is how much? So 1 1 0. Fine. Now what we have to do? We have to do the left shift operation. Left shift operation means what? 1 1 2 0 1 1 0 will be shifting towards the left, towards the right by 2 values here, right? So that means 2 values means 2 0 will be, 2 vacant will be created, that is 0 0, and you have to shift the value as 1. Fine. So why this one? Because first we will shift this one, it will go out, then we will put a 1 0, then we will shift this one, okay, so then it will go out and we will put one more value there. So that's how the 6 it becomes your 1. Fine. Now let us see another example. So if I print, let's say 12 right shift, let me take 3 here. So see here the answer is becoming 1. So how? This is also same scenario. So if you shift the value by 3, so value is 1 0. So 12, let me write. So 12 binary is 1 0 1 1 0 0. Okay. Now if you shift the value by 3, so what will happen? These 3 values will be diminished, and here 3 zeros will be added. So that's how it becomes 1 here. Okay. Now let us take 15, all are becoming 1. So I just want to take another example and left it by 1. So see here, sorry, double. So here the answer is 7 now. So how it is 7 it is becoming? Let us see. So 15 is 1 1. So 15 is your 1 1 1 1. Fine, 4 ones are there, and you have to left shift by 1. So that means this one will be shifted towards the right, it will go out of the box, and then at this side I will add one more 0. So how it becomes? Let us see. So that becomes 0 1 1. So 0 1 1 is nothing but your 7. Fine. So this is how the bitwise operator works, and in the next videos we will see how combinedly we can solve all those bitwise operators.